So, good morning, everybody. Uh, this is my father. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, any word of advice for the day?
Yes, we have many.
Okay.
Now, as the day has broken, we then see the brightness of the day that God had made for us. The next thing is to go and fend for ourselves, search for what to eat. You know, as the birds are flying here and there, they are searching for what to eat. Any person that wakes up in the morning must find something to do in order to feed himself. Now, as the day has broken, it is left for us to choose what to do in order to benefit us.